Hello friends, hope you are doing well. My name is Tanjela Islam. Today I will going to show how to create brown pink eye makeup look. So, you can learn this look, please keep on watching.
So let's get started. First I am using my dark circle areas, my eyes areas, using foundation. This foundation is ultimate shield makeup for your face. So I am using my eyes area and my forehead, my nose, and then I am using Illegal Pro Concealer. This shade is my tone, just matte shade. So I am using this concealer. So you can use any concealer, uh, that concealer, your face matching concealer. This is very better. So I am using a concealer very well. Then I am using some loose powder, my forehead, my eyes. This is my first step for eye makeup. Then I am using my brown light colored Morphe 35E palette. So I'm using my crease area, not lid, not upper lash, just crease area, and I'm blending very well. This is no harsh line, you can see, and I'm using Morphe palette. Then I am using pink light shade, my lid areas, not my eyelash areas. So I am using dark shade, pink dark shade. You call this shade magenta color, but I am called dark pink. So I am using floppy brush. You can use any type floppy brush as your wish. Now I am using this shade, my lash line areas and my middle crease areas. These areas name is lid area. So I am using lid areas and blending very well. There is no harsh line. You can see this is a very pigmented color, and I am using then very shimmery pink color, and this is a so pretty color, and I am love this color, and I am using this shimmery color my finger and then using my eyes lid areas. So I am using my two eye is same shimmery color pink Morphe palette, and my using my finger. So I'm finished my eye makeup, and I'm using my inner corner, just Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette white shade, and I'm using my brow bone white color, same palette Jaclyn Hill X Morphe 2 palette, and I am using my Kajal MAC 2, my lash line, and very small line and tiny line, you can see. And I am using my under lash line, as can you see, and I am using sock mascara and using my lash line, my upper lash, and I am using my false lash. This lash is MAC, uh, company name is MAC false lash. So I am wearing this lash, and this look is my last look, and my makeup eye makeup is all done.
Hope you are enjoy this video. Please like, comment, share and one thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Keep well. See you on my next video. Bye.